Welcome to the world of frugal living and environmentalism, where budget constraints and earth-friendly practices intersect in a harmonious balance. Imagine a life where you can save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and live sustainably all at once. It's a realm where being mindful of your spending and consumption habits can lead to not only financial stability, but also a healthier planet. Have you ever wondered how to live a fulfilling life without breaking the bank or causing harm to the environment? The truth is, it's possible to live sustainably on a budget, and it's not as difficult as you might think. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of frugal living and environmentalism, and explore how these two concepts are inextricably linked. So, join us on this journey as we navigate the realm of frugal living and environmentalism and discover the power of living sustainably on a budget. Number 1. Defining frugal living. Frugal living is a way of life that prioritizes mindful spending, saving, and reducing consumption. It's an art of stretching your dollar further and maximizing your resources. It's not about deprivation or living a life of scarcity, but rather, it's about living a life of abundance with less. Envision a world where you can live comfortably while also keeping more money in your pocket. A place where you can indulge in the things that truly matter to you while also being mindful of your spending habits. That's the beauty of frugal living. Some common frugal living practices include budgeting, saving money, and reducing consumption. Budgeting allows you to track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and create a plan for your money. Saving money is about putting a portion of your income away for future expenses, retirement, or a rainy day. Reducing consumption is about being mindful of what you bring into your home and choosing to buy only what you need. Frugal living is about finding creative solutions to save money and live comfortably. It's about being resourceful and making the most out of what you have. It's about breaking free from the cycle of consumerism and living a life of purpose and intention. In short, frugal living is a mindset of living smartly and creatively, where you can enjoy the luxuries of life while also keeping your budget in check. Number 2. Defining environmentalism. Environmentalism is a philosophy that seeks to protect and preserve the natural world for present and future generations. It's a call to action to take responsibility for our actions and the impact they have on the planet. Environmentalism is about being mindful of our footprint and making conscious choices to reduce it. Picture a world where we live in harmony with nature, where we work towards creating a sustainable future for all. A place where clean air and water, diverse ecosystems, and healthy planet are the norm, not the exception. That is the world that environmentalism strives to create. Some common environmentalist practices include recycling, reducing waste, and using renewable energy sources. Recycling is about reducing the amount of waste that goes to landfills and repurposing materials for new products. Reducing waste is about being mindful of the amount of resources we use and the products we consume. Using renewable energy sources is about finding alternative ways to generate energy that doesn't harm the environment. Environmentalism is about taking a holistic approach to living, where we consider not only our immediate needs, but also the needs of future generations. It's about being stewards of the earth and working towards creating a sustainable future for all. In summary, environmentalism is a call to action to live responsibly, to preserve the planet for future generations, and to work towards creating a sustainable future for all. Number 3. The connection between frugal living and environmentalism. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Frugal living and environmentalism are like two sides of the same coin, with one supporting the other. Frugal living is about being mindful of your spending and consumption habits, while environmentalism is about being mindful of the impact your actions have on the planet. Together, they create a powerful synergy that can help you live sustainably on a budget. Consider a life where you not only save money but also reduce your carbon footprint. Imagine being able to indulge in the things that matter to you, while also being mindful of your impact on the environment. This is the beauty of frugal living and environmentalism working together. For example, buying secondhand clothing is a frugal living practice that also helps the environment. Instead of buying new clothes, you're reusing an existing item, which reduces the demand for new clothes and the resources needed to produce them. Similarly, Growing your own food is a frugal living practice that also helps the environment. By growing your own food, you're reducing the need to transport food from faraway places, which reduces carbon emissions. Together, frugal living and environmentalism can create a powerful force for change, one that can help you live sustainably on a budget while also preserving the planet for future generations. In summary, frugal living and environmentalism are interconnected, and together they can help you live sustainably on a budget. By being mindful of your spending and consumption habits and the impact they have on the environment, you can create a fulfilling and sustainable life. Number 4. How to live sustainably on a budget. Living sustainably on a budget is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small changes that can have a big impact and being open to learning new ways to save money and reduce your impact on the environment. It's about being creative, resourceful, and willing to step out of your comfort zone. Envisage a world where your actions align with your values, where you can live comfortably without breaking the bank or causing harm to the environment. That is the world of sustainable living on a budget. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Reduce energy consumption by switching to energy-efficient appliances, using power strips, and turning off lights and electronics when not in use. Save money on transportation costs by using public transportation, biking, or carpooling instead of driving. Reduce waste by composting, recycling, and using reusable containers, bags, and straws. Make small changes in your diet, such as eating meat, free meals, and locally sourced produce. Be mindful of your consumption habits and buy only what you need, and try to buy secondhand when possible. Living sustainably on a budget is about being mindful of your actions and making conscious choices. It's about being creative, resourceful, and willing to step out of your comfort zone. In conclusion, living sustainably on a budget is a journey, not a destination. By making small changes and being mindful of your actions, you can live a fulfilling and sustainable life without breaking the bank. Remember, every little action counts, and together we can make a big change. As we come to the end of this journey, we hope that you have a better understanding of how frugal living and environmentalism are interconnected and how they can help you live sustainably on a budget. We hope that you have been inspired to make small changes in your life that can have a big impact, and that you feel empowered to take action to live more sustainably. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.